What's going on, guys? Welcome to CBU's annual Gingerbread Shakedown. Let's check it out.
How do you guys feel about your victory?
I mean, what can I say? It's pretty light. Don't worry about that. No, don't listen to her. Don't listen. They're like come out and hang out with friends and stuff. You know, we have an amazing group. Her, and him. Honestly, not more I can ask for, other than like screaming the entire time and drinking some water. But thank you.
The roof isn't gonna be double.
Why this roof? No, this roof.
I have no clue.
Andre, I was thinking about reinforcements like this actually.
Now that's a wrap, guys. We'll see you next time.